table. A table is an arrangement of data in vertical columns and horizontal rows, forming a cell where they join together. Columns are the vertical sections of the table, whereas rows are the horizontal sections of the table. The top row in the table is usually used as the table header. Cells are the individual squares in which you place text, images, or graphics. Inserting a table. In Word 2016, you can insert a table by following the given steps. Step 1. Open Word 2016. Step 2. Open the document in which you want to add a table or create a new document. Step 3. Place the cursor where you want to insert the table. There are many ways to insert a table in Word. Using graphic grid. To create a table using graphic grid, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Table drop-down arrow in Tables group. A table drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click on the top left corner of the grid and drag the mouse to highlight the number of columns and rows you want in the table. When you release the mouse button, the table appears in the document and two new tabs appear on the ribbon. They are Design and Layout. The Design tab is used to style the table by adding shading to some rows and columns. Select a border style, size and color and many other options that control the look of the table. On the Layout tab, you can change the height and width of cells, rows or columns. Insert or delete additional rows and columns and merge cells. Using Insert Table. This option lets you insert a table by selecting numbers of rows and columns. To insert the table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Table drop-down arrow in Tables group. Step 3. Click on Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Step 4. Enter the number of columns and rows you want in the table. Step 5. Click OK button. The table appears in the document. Using Quick Tables. This option lets you insert built-in table templates in the document. Templates are pre-formatted design files in a software or program. These tables are the type of tables which are commonly used for calendar, list of things, etc. To insert a quick table, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Table drop-down arrow in Tables group. Step 3. Select Quick Tables from drop-down menu. Step 4. Select the table template according to your choice. The table appears in your document. Entering data in a table. To enter data in a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Click in the cell and start typing. Step 2. To move to the next cell, press the Tab key. Selecting row or column. After inserting a table, you can select any row, column or cell for other functions. To select a row, click in the row selection area of the row you want to select. The row gets selected. You can also select a row by clicking and dragging the left mouse button over the row. To select a column, hover your mouse in the column selection area at the top of a column. The mouse pointer changes to a downward pointing arrow. Then click on the column to select it. Selecting adjacent cells. To select the adjacent cells, click in a cell and drag through the rows or columns. Or click in the cell keeping the Shift key pressed. Press the arrow key to select the cells. Inserting row or column. You can insert rows or columns in a table from Table Tools. To insert rows or columns in a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Layout tab in Table Tools. Step 2. Select a row or column where you want to add an additional row, column or cell. Step 3. In the Rows and Columns group, click the desired option. Deleting row or column. To delete rows, columns or cells from a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the rows, columns or cells which you want to delete from the table. Step 2. Click on Layout tab under the Table Tools. Step 3. In the Rows and Columns group, click on Delete command. Step 4. A drop-down menu appears. Select Desired option. If you choose Delete Cells option, a Delete Cells dialog box appears. Select Desired option. Deleting a table. To delete an existing table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click anywhere in the table you want to delete. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 3. Click on Delete command. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 4. Select Delete Table. The table will be deleted. Merging cells. You can merge 2 or more cells in a table to create one large cell. This is used frequently to merge the columns of the top row to create the title of the table. You can merge cells row-wise or column-wise. To merge cells of a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cells that you want to merge. Step 2. Click on Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 3. Click on Merge Cell command in the Merge group. The cells get merged. After merging the cells, sometimes the content of the cells get mixed up. You can easily change the layout and fix it later. Splitting a cell. You can easily split a cell into multiple cells. To split a cell, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the mouse pointer inside the cell to be split. Step 2. Click on Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 3. Select on Split Cells command in the Merge group. A Split Cells dialog box. Step 4. Enter the desired number of columns into the number of columns box and number of rows into the number of rows box. Step 5. Click OK. You can divide a cell into many cells row-wise or column-wise or both. Formatting a table. Table styles. You can apply styles to your table. To apply a table style, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click anywhere in the table. Step 2. Click on Design tab under Table Tools. Step 3. Click on the desired style in the Table Styles group. Step 4. Click on More button to see more styles. When you hover the mouse pointer over a style, your table displays the style. This will help you decide which style will look good for your table. Step 5. Click on the style you like best and your table is styled accordingly. Changing row height. To change the row height, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the row or number of rows. Click on Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 2. Go to Table Row Height option in the Cell Size group. Step 3. Change the height of row or rows in Height scroll box. You will observe the change in selected row height. Changing column width. To change the column width, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the column or number of columns. Click on Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 2. Go to Table Column Width option in the Cell Size group. Step 3. Change the width of column or columns in Width scroll box. You will observe the change in selected column's width. Changing the text alignment. To change the alignment of the text in a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cell or cells. Click on Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 2. Go to Alignment options in Alignment group. Select the alignment you want to apply to your text.